How to use Uber Eats group order. To use Uber Eats group order, you need to follow these simple steps. I'm going to use the browser version of the Uber Eats. So I'm going to type in ubereats.com on the web address bar. Click the first link that appears. Here it is, www.uber.com. Click the login button at the top right hand side corner. So basically I'm going to do the steps. You can skip this part if you're already logged in. So once you're logged into your account, as you could see, the interface is gonna look something like this. So here you just need to choose a restaurant for a group order. So you wanna go ahead and type in your location, or you could just go ahead and look for other options as well. So over here you could go ahead and look for it. And then you just need to choose a restaurant for the group order. So not all restaurants gonna accept the group order, so you need to be specific, or you could also inform the restaurant beforehand before placing an order. And then you just need to tap the group order button in the app or start group order on the website as well. Then you need to select or set the group order details. You could set a deadline for a request or a guest to submit the orders, set an optional spending or spending limit per person. You could also choose to pay for everyone to have each guest pay for themselves as well. After which you could select invite guests to get the shareable link. Send the link to everyone in your group, and then you could add your own items to the order as well. And once everyone has finished selecting view order, and then you could go to the checkout to prevent any last minute changes. You can lock or you could lock orders and continue. Review the final details and place the order as well. So this way you could use Uber Eats order or group order. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.